Hello students. Now I am going to do problems in a vector calculus in a module 1 in the subject advanced calculus and numerical methods. Now we'll see some of the problems here. Find the constants a, b, c such that vector f is equals to x plus y plus az into I cap plus b is x plus 2y minus z into j cap plus x plus cy plus 2z into k cap is an irrotational. Also find the scalar potential phi for which vector f is equals to del phi. Given vector f is equals to x plus y plus az I cap plus bx plus 2y minus z into j cap plus x plus cy plus 2z into k cap. So here in a question they asked us to find out the values of ABC. Clearly they given vector f is irrotational. So irrotational is nothing but curl f is 0. So curl f means del cross of f which is equals to 0. Now that del cross of f can be defined in terms of determinant like this. Vector I cap, j cap, k cap will come in the first row. In the second row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And in the last row you just substitute the coefficient of vector f. So the coefficient of ijk in the vector f you just substitute, that is x plus y plus az bx plus 2y minus z x plus cy plus 2z which is equals to 0I plus 0j plus 0 into k. Now this determinant you just go for expansion. On expansion we can write this term as 6 plus c plus 1 into I cap minus 1 minus a into j cap plus b minus 1 into k cap which is equals to 0I plus 0j plus 0 into k cap. So now each and every term you just go for equating to 0 both LHS and also RHS side, so that we are getting the value of a is 1, b is 1 and c is minus 1. After getting these three constants values of ABC, you just substitute in a given vector f equation, so that vector f equation can be written as x plus y plus z into I cap plus x plus 2y minus z into j cap plus x minus y plus 2z into k cap. Take this as equation number 1. Now they asked us to find out the scalar potential with the help of expression vector f is equals to del phi. So now you just substitute the value of vector f and also definition of gradient of phi we have to substitute, so that the previous equation can be written as x plus y plus z into I cap plus x plus 2y minus z into j cap plus x minus y plus 2z into k cap which is equals to dou phi by dou x into I cap plus dou phi by dou y into j cap plus dou phi by dou z into k cap. Now you just equate both LHS and also RHS side, so that we can write this as dou phi by dou x is equals to x plus y plus z. So here dou so this equation dou phi by dou x will become x plus y plus z. So here you just do the integration is with respect to x, so that integration differentiation both will get cancelled. We can write the value of phi will be like this: x square by 2 plus xy plus zx plus some constant, that constant will be f1 of y comma z. Similarly, you next term if you go for equating means we are getting dou phi by dou y equals to x plus 2y plus 2y minus z. You just do the integration is with respect to y, so that integration differentiation will get cancelled. We are getting the value of phi will be xy plus y square minus yz plus some integral constant, that constant will be f2 of x comma z. And the last term dou phi by dou z which is equals to x minus y plus 2z. do the integration is with respect to z, so that we are getting the value of phi as zx minus yz plus z square plus f3 of x comma y. Now we got three values of phi. All these three values we have to club and write, so that we are getting the value of phi will be x square by 2 plus y square plus z square plus xy plus zx minus yz. This is what the required potential function. Now we'll see the next problem. Show that vector f is equals to y plus z into I cap plus z plus x into j cap plus x plus y into k cap is irrotational. We have to prove that the given vector f is irrotational. Hence find the scalar potential phi. With the help of the expression vector f is equals to del phi. Okay, first we'll prove that the given vector f is irrotational. Irrotational means del cross f should be equal to 0. So first what we have to do, curl f. So del cross f. So first we'll write this in terms of determinant. In a first row it is fixed, that is I cap, j cap, k cap. And the second row will be dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And the last row, the coefficients of vector f we have to substitute. That is y plus z, z plus x, x plus y. Now we'll go for expansion of this curl f. On expansion of this determinant, we can write the term as like this: 1 minus 1 into I cap minus 1 minus 1 into j cap plus 1 minus 1 into k cap. All the term will get cancelled. We are getting solution as 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 into k cap. So that we are getting solution of curl f which is equals to 0. So clearly we can give the conclusion that vector f is an irrotational. Now after proof of this irrotational, next we'll find out the scalar function. With the help of the expression vector f is equals to del phi. The given vector f and also the gradient definition we have to substitute here, so that equation can be written as y plus z into I cap plus z plus x into j cap plus x plus y into k cap, which is equals to dou phi by dou x into I cap plus dou phi by dou y into j cap plus dou phi by dou z into k cap. So on equating both LHS and also RHS term, we can write this as dou phi by dou x equals to y plus z. So dou phi by dou x which is equals to y plus z means you just do the integration is with respect to x. So that integration differentiation both will get cancelled. So phi can be written as xy plus zx plus some integral constant. That integral constant I am going to take it as a f of y comma z. Now we'll see the next term, that is dou phi by dou y, which is equals to z plus x. Here you just do the integration is with respect to y. So that integration and differentiation will get cancelled. We are getting the value of phi equals to zy plus xy plus integral constant. That integral constant we can take it as a f2 of z comma x. And the last term, dou phi by dou z, which is equals to x plus y. You just do the integration is with respect to z. So that integration differentiation will get cancelled. We are getting the value of phi is equals to xz plus zy plus f of x comma y. So now three values of phi we got it. All the three values of phi we have to club and we have to write. That is phi is equals to xy plus yz plus zx. Now we'll see the next problem. Find the constants AB such that vector f is equals to axy plus z cube into I cap plus 3x square minus z into j cap plus bxz square minus y into k cap is an irrotational. Hence find the scalar function such that vector f is equals to del phi. So clearly they given vector f is an irrotational. So irrotational means curl f which is equals to 0. So first we'll find out the value of curl f in terms of determinant. So first row is ijk, it is fixed. Second row will be dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And the third row you just substitute the coefficient of I, j, k in the vector f equation. that is axy plus z cube 3x square minus z bx square z minus y, which is equals to 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 into k cap. Now you just go for expansion of this determinant, so that this can be written as minus 1 plus 1 into I cap minus of b z square minus 3z square into j cap plus 6x minus ax into k cap, which is equals to 0. On simplification, we can write the value of a is 6 and the value of b will be 3. So we got the value of AB. After getting the value of AB, you just substitute in a vector F equation. So that vector F can be written as 6xy plus z cube into I cap plus 3x square minus z into j cap plus 3xz square minus y into k cap. So you just take that as equation number 2. Now we got the vector F. Now we have to find out the scalar function. Vector F is equals to del phi. So vector F, the obtained vector F, you just substitute it here, and then grad phi, the basic definition we have to write. So now on equating these two, we are getting dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y, dou phi by dou z value. So you just do the integration is with respect to x, y, z. We are getting 3 values of phi here. All the 3 values of y you just club and write. That is phi is equals to 3x square y minus yz plus x into z cube. So this is what our required scalar function. Thank you.